Welcome to the world of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In this video, we'll explore 10 key lessons from the book that can help you improve your financial literacy and achieve financial success. Let's start. The importance of financial education. Financial education is often something that is not taught in school, but it is so important for our personal and financial success. Having a strong understanding of money management, investing, and financial planning is crucial for making informed decisions about our finances and reaching our financial goals. But the benefits of financial education go beyond just being able to balance a checkbook or invest in stocks.
It can also help us to make smarter decisions about how we spend and save our money, and to avoid financial pitfalls like high interest debt or risky investment opportunities.
And let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with being financially literate. Knowing that we are in control of our finances and have a plan in place can be incredibly empowering and can give us the confidence to pursue our dreams and goals. So don't be afraid to seek out financial education and resources. There are so many great books, classes, and online resources available to help us increase our financial knowledge. The more we learn, the better equipped we will be to make smart financial decisions and achieve financial success.
The difference between assets and liabilities. In the world of personal finance, it's important to understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Simply put, assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket.
Some common examples of assets include rental properties, businesses, stocks, and mutual funds. These are all things that have the potential to generate income for you through dividends, rent, or capital appreciation. On the other hand, liabilities are things that cost money, such as car loans, credit card debt, and mortgages. These are all things that drain your resources and can hold you back from achieving financial freedom. It's important to focus on building a strong foundation of assets rather than just accumulating liabilities. While it may be tempting to buy that new car or take out a mortgage on a big house, it's important to consider whether these purchases are truly assets or just liabilities in disguise. By identifying and acquiring assets, you can build a strong foundation for financial success and work towards achieving financial freedom. The power of passive income. Passive income is a type of income that is generated with little to no effort on the part of the recipient. It's a way to make money while you sleep, so to speak, and it can be a powerful tool for building wealth. Here are a few examples of passive income streams. Rental properties. By owning a rental property, you can generate income from the rent paid by tenants. Dividend. Paying stocks. Some stocks pay dividends to shareholders, which can provide a regular stream of income. Peer-to-peer lending. Through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your loans. Online courses, or if you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell an online course or ebook and generate passive income through sales. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services on your website or social media channels, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. The beauty of passive income is that it can provide a steady stream of income without requiring a lot of ongoing effort. This can free up your time to focus on other things, such as building your business or pursuing other interests.
In addition, passive income can be a great way to diversify your income streams and reduce your reliance on a traditional job.
It's an important piece of the puzzle when it comes to achieving financial freedom and building long-term wealth.
The importance of having a financial plan. Before we get to that, I would like to introduce the sponsor of this video, the Frugal Living Handbook. Our comprehensive book covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost cutting, and much more. Order our book via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. Now let's get back into the video. Having a financial plan is like having a roadmap for your money. It helps you to set financial goals, create a budget, and make a plan for achieving those goals. Without a financial plan, it can be easy to get lost in the sea of bills, expenses, and unexpected financial setbacks.
But the benefits of having a financial plan go beyond just staying organized. A financial plan can also help you to make the most of your money. By setting clear financial goals and creating a budget, you can ensure that your money is being used in the most effective way possible to achieve those goals. Stay on track. A financial plan helps you to track your progress and make adjustments as needed to stay on track towards your goals. Achieve financial freedom. By putting a plan in place and actively working towards your financial goals, you can increase your chances of achieving financial freedom and independence.
So how do you create a financial plan that works for you? Here are a few steps to get started.
Set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to pay off debt, save for retirement, or buy a house? Create a budget.
Determine your income and expenses and make a plan for how you will allocate your money each month. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of your progress and make changes to your financial plan as needed to stay on track towards your goals.
Don't be intimidated by the idea of creating a financial plan. It can be as simple or as detailed as you want it to be. The important thing is to take control of your finances and make a plan for achieving your financial goal. The dangers of living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is a cycle that can be difficult to break. It can be especially tough if you're struggling to make ends meet and don't have any extra money to save or invest. But the dangers of living paycheck to paycheck go beyond just feeling financially stressed. It can also have long-term consequences for your financial stability and success.
For starters, living paycheck to paycheck can make it difficult to save for emergencies or unexpected expenses. If something goes wrong and you need to come up with a large sum of money quickly, it can be a real challenge if you don't have any savings to fall back on. In addition, living paycheck to paycheck can make it difficult to invest in your future. Without any extra money to save or invest, you may miss out on opportunities to grow your wealth and build a strong financial foundation.
But there is hope.
While it may not be easy, there are steps you can take to break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Here are a few ideas.
Create a budget.
Determine your income and expenses and make a plan for how you will allocate your money each month.
Look for ways to increase your income.
Could you pick up a part-time job or start a side hustle to bring in extra money?
Cut expenses. Look for ways to save money on your monthly bills and expenses. Can you negotiate a lower rate with your cable or internet provider? Can you cut back on non-essential expenses like dining out or subscription services?
Start saving. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it's important to start building an emergency fund and saving for your future. Breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck won't happen overnight, but by taking small steps and being consistent, you can increase your financial stability and set yourself up for long-term success.
The power of entrepreneurship.
We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel.
If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, now is the time to make it happen. Entrepreneurship is a powerful way to take control of your career and create the life you want. And with the right mindset and a little bit of hard work, the sky is the limit for what you can achieve. There are so many great reasons to consider entrepreneurship. For one, it allows you to be your own boss and create a business that aligns with your values and goals. It also gives you the opportunity to innovate and solve problems in your own unique way. But perhaps the biggest benefit of entrepreneurship is the potential for financial success. By starting and growing your own business, you have the ability to create multiple streams of income and build wealth in a way that may not be possible through a traditional job.
So if you have a great business idea and the drive to make it happen, don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the power of entrepreneurship and take the first step towards creating the life and career you've always wanted. The potential rewards are truly limitless.
The importance of investing in yourself. When it comes to investing, most people think of stocks, real estate, or other financial instruments.
But there is one investment that is often overlooked, and that is investing in yourself.
Investing in yourself can take many forms, such as education, training, or personal development. It's about taking the time and resources to improve your skills, knowledge, and overall well-being.
So why is investing in yourself so important?
Here are a few reasons. Improved career opportunities.
By improving your skills and knowledge, you can increase your value in the job market and open up new career opportunities. Increased income potential. As you become more skilled and knowledgeable, you may be able to negotiate a higher salary or raise at your current job or start your own business and earn more income that way. Personal growth and fulfillment. Investing in yourself can also lead to personal growth and a sense of accomplishment. As you learn and grow, you may discover new passions and interests and feel more confident and fulfilled in your personal and professional life. So don't be afraid to invest in yourself, whether it's through continuing education, training programs, or personal development activities. The benefits of investing in yourself are well worth the time and effort. The benefits of taking calculated risks. In order to achieve success in life, it's often necessary to take risks. Without risk, there can be no reward. But it's important to remember that not all risks are created equal. It's important to be strategic and calculated when it comes to taking risks rather than blindly leaping into uncharted territory. So what are the benefits of taking calculated risks? Here are a few. Increased chances of success. By carefully considering the potential risks and rewards of a situation, you can increase your chances of making a successful decision. Improved problem-solving skills. Taking calculated risks can help you to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills as you are forced to consider different options and scenarios. Greater confidence. As you take calculated risks and experience success, you may find that you become more confident in your ability to make good decisions. Personal and professional growth. Taking calculated risks can help you to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things, leading to personal and professional growth.
So, how do you go about taking calculated risks? Here are a few tips.
Identify your goals and priorities. What do you hope to achieve by taking this risk? Is it worth the potential rewards? Assess the potential risks and rewards. Carefully consider the potential consequences of taking the risk. Are the potential rewards worth the potential losses? Have a plan. Be prepared to adapt. Be flexible and open to adapting your plan as needed. By taking calculated risks and being strategic about the choices you make, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your goals.
So, don't be afraid to take that leap of faith.
The importance of having a strong support system. We all need a little help and support from time to time, and that's especially true when it comes to achieving financial success. Having a strong support system can make all the difference in helping you to stay on track and reach your goal. So what makes a strong support system and why is it so important? Here are a few reasons: encouragement and motivation. A supportive network of friends and family can provide much needed encouragement and motivation when you're feeling down or facing challenges. Advice and guidance. Surrounding yourself with knowledgeable and experienced individuals can provide valuable advice and guidance as you navigate financial decisions and challenges. A sense of community. Having a strong support system can provide a sense of community and belonging, which can be especially helpful when you're working towards a common goal. A source of accountability. Having people in your life who can hold you accountable and help you stay on track can be a powerful motivator.
So, how do you build a strong support system?
Here are a few tips. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Seek out individuals who are positive, supportive, and share similar values and goals. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help or support when you need it. Build a network of mentors and advisors. Consider seeking out mentors or advisors who have experience and expertise in areas that you are interested in or working towards. Participate in supportive communities. Look for ways to connect with others who are working towards similar goals, such as through support groups, online communities, or professional associations. By building a strong support system, you can increase your chances of success and feel more confident and motivated as you work towards your financial goal. In conclusion, the lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad are as relevant today as they were when the book was first published. So if you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. You can check the first link in the description for our ebook.
It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.